Hello everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how to zoom in and out using keyframes on CapCut. So here I've already prepared a video and imported to CapCut. So what you're gonna do is add a keyframe at the beginning of the video like this, and then move forward a bit, and then add another keyframe and zoom in a little bit like this, and then you can just play it again, then add another keyframe and zoom out the clips, so you can have that zoom in and out effect to your video. Okay, so when you play it, it will go like this, so it will have like a fake movement to your video. And to make it smooth, you can just actually add a grab, so you can go in between the clips and then click on grabs and choose the grabs that you think is right for your video. So I'm going to just choose the ease out one, and it'll go like this. Okay guys, so that is how you can make a zoom in and out effect using keyframes. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if the video is helpful, remember to click thanks, like and subscribe for more content. I'll catch you all in the following videos. Thank you.